Welcome to Pocket Tutorials. This course is Basic of Video Creation and Editing for Kids and Beginners. Course Introduction. What is this course about? This course is about learning to make amazing digital videos for your YouTube channel, as well as you will be mastering a free open source software known as OpenShot. Who is this course for? This course is for kids and adults who have never done any video editing, people who are looking to edit a screencast video and to create one screencast video. It's for online tutors, food bloggers, housewives who wish to start their own channel. In this course, you will be learning video basics, what is OpenShot and how to use it. You will also create a screencast video. You will edit a cooking video as well. Finally, you will have 2 self-projects assigned so that you can test yourself on how much you have benefited from this course. So that's all for this lecture. Thank you so much. Congratulations on completing another lecture. If you do like this course, please leave a review. Helps us to improvise the course. Thank you so much.